Hello everyone, this is Saara Eram and you are watching the English class. So in this video, I am going to share with you English conversation about an afternoon in the kitchen. This conversation between a mother and her daughter. So let's begin. Saara: Mom, I'm home. Sophie, her mother: How was school? How did you do on test? Saara: School was okay and I did great on the test. I was so worried about that test, but now I feel great. What a relief. Sophie: I am glad to hear that. You have been studying so hard the past few weeks. Now you can relax and enjoy life. Saara: What are you cooking? It smells so good. Sophie: I am baking cakes. This is your favorite carrot cake. Saara: It looks really yummy. And I see muffins over there too. Sophie: Yes, Jack has to take something to school tomorrow, so those muffins are for him. Don't touch them. Saara: Can I have a piece of carrot cake? I want to enjoy life right now. Sophie: You don't want to wait until after dinner? Saara: It looks inviting and I bet it is delicious. No, I don't want to wait. Can I, Mom? Okay, go ahead. Mom, did you see the new recipe that was posted on Today Cooking's website? I believe it was scrumptious pie. No, I did not, but I want to try that recipe. Your dad loves pie. So do I. So does Jack. Our whole family is crazy about pie. Saara: Mom, when do you want to try new recipe? I want to learn too. Tomorrow I will get some cherries at the supermarket and we can start baking in the afternoon when you get home from school. Saara: I need to finish a science project and I will not get home until 3:30. Will it be too late to start baking, Mom? If it is, so you can start without me. 3:30 p.m. is fine. I will prepare dinner early and then I will have everything ready for our baking session before you get home. Saara: Make sure that we still have enough sugar and eggs, Mom. It seems like you were using a lot of sugar and eggs baking the cakes and muffins today. Don't worry, we still have plenty of sugar and a lot of eggs. Enough to make at least 10 pies. 10 pies? 10 sounds like a good number, but let's not overdo it. Let's make 9 pies instead. Okay, we will make 9 pies tomorrow, no more, no less. It's a deal. Enough about baking pies. I need to start working on today's dinner. It is 5 o'clock already. Your dad and Jack will be home soon. I am sure they will be very hungry, will want to dinner right away. Saara: What do we have for dinner tonight? I will make spring rolls and tomato soup. Wow! It has been a long time since you made spring rolls. Do you need any help, Mom? No, go do your homework and leave the cooking to me. Thanks, Mom. Call me whenever dinner is ready. I don't want to be late for spring rolls, carrot cake and muffins. The muffins are for Jack. Don't touch them. I know, Mom. Just kidding. Let's learn some of sentences in Hindi that will help you understand this conversation. I feel great. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. What a relief. जान में जान आई. It looks inviting. यह आमंत्रित लग रहा है. It is delicious. यह स्वादिष्ट है. So do I. मैं भी. No more, no less. न ज़्यादा न कम. Be crazy about something. किसी चीज़ का दीवाना होना. It has been a long time. बहुत लंबा समय गुजर गया. Leave the cooking to me. खाना बनाना मुझ पर छोड़ दो. Let's not overdo it. इसे ज़्यादा मत करो. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, so do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.